What's up, Shikuwasa people? So I know it's been a while since I gave an update. I believe that video was in November, December of 2021. Here we are, it's March of 2024, and we got an update. So in between the time from when planted to now, I actually moved out to San Diego. And while I was there, I had the opportunity to go check out the farm that I know a bunch of you have said in the comments that you ordered from, where I actually originally ordered from too. And I got to look at the 2 trees they have there. Much bigger than I thought, which was cool, which was surprising. And I really got to speak to the owner about the fruit and cultivating it. So I learned a few things. And I've been continuing to do some more research into the fruit itself and Okinawa. And so again, if anyone has any questions, feel free to comment. Feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn or on the comments, whatever, however you can find me. But yeah, so anyways, the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal of how they're looking. So here we go. Again, this is about 2 years and 4 months of growth. And so you could see here, these leaves are a little bit more damaged than these leaves. These leaves look a little more strong. And we can get a good glimpse into the actual stems over here. Let's get real close. Again, it's 2 years and 4 months roughly, if my calculations are correct. And now the most interesting thing, and I'm gonna rip it from this leaf right here, if you wanna get close to this leaf. Also shout out my little brother for recording right now. I'm gonna rip this sorry leaf. So I have this leaf, I just mess it up a little bit, and if I smell it, it's like the strongest scent I've ever smelled. It's a very strong citrusy smell. So yeah, I think that's a really neat, cool little thing, that this leaf, you can tell that it's gonna be a citrus fruit one day. When will that happen? I don't know, hopefully soon. Again, in the comments, feel free to leave your thoughts. If you know of what I should do maybe to help these plants, let me know. Again, I don't really know much of what I'm doing, but they're growing. These 2 are the lone survivors. Would love to hear everyone's thoughts. So please let me know. And I appreciate you guys for watching, following along on the Shikuwasa journey. And hopefully it's only still in its infancy.